Shiva creates Brahma and Vishnu? Unity in the divine play. Most of us have heard of Brahma, the creator, and Vishnu, the preserver. But did you know that according to the Shiva Purana, both of them were created by Shiva? Not born from a mother, not formed from elements, but manifested through Shiva's conscious will. It sounds mysterious, maybe even mythological. But behind this story lies a powerful truth about the oneness of the universe, and why different deities aren't in competition, but are expressions of the same infinite force. Let's explore this beautiful chapter of the Shiva Purana, where unity, diversity, and divine purpose come alive. Long before the world existed, there was only Shiva, not as a god in human form, but as pure formless consciousness, Nirguna, beyond qualities, Nishkala, beyond time and space. This is called Shiva Tattva, the fundamental essence. From this vast, still infinite ocean of awareness arose a will, not desire, but divine intention. And from that will, two forms emerged. One was Brahma, the creator, who would shape the worlds. The other was Vishnu, the sustainer, who would preserve and guide them. Now, this isn't about a family tree of gods. It's not about Shiva being above others. It's about something deeper. Just like white light can split into a rainbow, consciousness, the pure essence, can express itself as creation, preservation, and transformation. Shiva didn't just make Brahma and Vishnu. He became them in form. We often get caught in this or that thinking. Is Shiva greater? Or Vishnu? Or Brahma? But the Shiva Purana reminds us they are one. Just like sunlight warms, grows, and burns, three effects, one source. Or water becomes ice, steam, or a wave, different forms, same substance. Similarly, Shiva expresses as Brahma to create, as Vishnu to preserve, and as himself to dissolve what's no longer needed. This is divine play, not conflict. So how is this relevant today? Think of your own life. You too are constantly creating new thoughts, preserving beliefs, and letting go of things that no longer serve you. In a way, you are doing the work of Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva every single day. When you start a new project, you channel the Creator. When you maintain discipline and balance, you express the Preserver. When you let go of a toxic pattern, you become the Transformer. These aren't just deities up there, they are states of being within you. The Shiva Purana describes how Brahma and Vishnu appeared from Shiva's forehead, glowing with radiance and filled with purpose. Brahma began creating the universe, stars, planets, time itself. Vishnu took charge of order, setting the rhythm of nature, balance, and dharma. But when ego started to rise and Brahma and Vishnu began to argue over who was greater, Shiva appeared as a pillar of endless light, the Lingodbhava form, reminding them, I am not above you. I am within you. That's the ultimate truth. The divine is not about hierarchy. It's about harmony. So when someone worships Shiva, another worships Vishnu or Brahma or the goddess or Christ or Allah, let's remember what the sages knew. There is only one truth, many names, many faces. The Shiva Purana doesn't ask us to choose sides. It asks us to recognize the one in all, and more importantly, to recognize the divine in ourselves. Whether you are in a temple, at work, with your family, or in silence. You are constantly creating, sustaining, and transforming. You are part of the cosmic dance, just like Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva. And behind all those roles is the same light, the same consciousness, the same Shiva. Next episode, Mount Kailash, Shiva's home and the journey within. Subscribe to explore the deeper wisdom of the Shiva Purana, made simple and soulful.